Football Club Alashkert, commonly known as Alashkert, is an Armenian football club based in the capital Yerevan, founded in 1990 in Martuni, and after folding in 2000 re-founded in 2011. They currently play in the Armenian Premier League. The home stadium of the team is the Alashkert Stadium in Yerevan. The club headquarters are located on Saryan Street 25, Yerevan. Although based in Yerevan, they are in fact named after the historic Western Armenian town of Alashkert, now Eleşkirt in eastern Turkey. The club is owned by Bagrat Navoyan, an Armenian businessman and founder of Bagratr LLC. Alashkert has a cooperation agreement with the Brazilian club Botafogo since August 2017. Football Club Alashkert was founded in 1990 in the town of Martuni of Yerevan province. In 1992, the team played in the Premier League representing Martuni and using the city stadium of the town as their home venue. However, at the end of the season the team finished last in the table, being relegated to the First League. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.